One of the major benefits that we offer is really fast turnaround. Being able to take their idea from a napkin sketch, convert it into a 3D model, and then quickly get a first iteration on the 3D printer. That provides a 3D object for us to review and discuss further.
And then with this speed, we can have a meeting, see what he's got, test it, find a problem, and then we brainstorm about what it is that might solve that problem. And we actually can get this cycle going almost on a daily basis.
Obvious and most immediate need is on the healthcare side. Creating designs, iterating devices is essential to the process. And before Proto Studios was here, people had to send them out to Minneapolis or other places, and then there were weeks and times delay, and the cost was much more too. And then we opened an office here at UIHC, which has dramatically propelled the use of this service around campus. Somebody with an MFA in art is perfectly positioned to support this kind of work. That wasn't obvious to a lot of us. We've learned that multidisciplinary support gives different perspectives, and it brings different skills to the table. And that's one of the things that I think you get out of being in a big academic institution like this. Beyond medical devices, we support others in the state as well. This is a statewide initiative. But we've just skimmed the surface. We think there's great opportunity to grow and expand.